Introducing the Stratasys J5 DentaJet, the all-around compact 3D powerhouse for all dental labs. Simplify your production and maximize throughput with precise, unattended mixed tray printing. Our 360-degree rotating build tray allows you to print in multiple materials at the same time, giving you maximum output in the smallest of footprints. Print day or night in high volumes with confidence. Simply load one tray and walk away. The DentaJet is like having 3 printers in one. Print opaque and rigid implant models, soft gingiva masks, and biocompatible surgical guides, all in one tray in large capacities in a single unattended job, helping to cut costs and boost lab efficiency. Cut days off delivery times by producing more accurate, comfortable, orthodontic devices. Our unique separator digital material coats models in print, minimizing post-processing time and making acrylic and wax removal easy, helping to save up to 3 minutes per model in manual labor. Outperform traditional dentistry and automate the process of cast chrome partials. Reduce patient visits and resets thanks to highly precise printed frameworks that can be printed with models simultaneously. Increase your lab capacity, eliminating the delays and inaccuracies of manual labor, with large volumes of exact crown and bridge models printed in high-resolution materials. Deliver patient-specific, full-color case presentations with realism previously only possible with time-consuming wax models, and better your communication with clinics. Streamline your 3D print workflow with GrabCAD print software. GrabCAD automatically calculates the most efficient arrangement of parts to maximize your single tray capacity, helping to reduce tray changeovers and boost your productivity. Print as many as 41 implant cases per day, or up to as many as 26 removables cases per day using only 2 trays. All lab types, all in one tray, all of the time. The newest addition to the Stratasys dental family, the J5 DentaJet, is the all-around dental solution.